Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices gained after falling more than 3% the previous session, helped by a subdued dollar and bargain hunting, while market attention remained focused on any updates on US-China trade relations. Wall Street extended its rally with a solid boost from the technology shares as investors parsed a mixed bag of corporate earnings and watched for signs of progress in the US-China tariff standoff. All three major US stock indexes were higher. Binance has introduced fund accounts, a feature enabling portfolio managers to consolidate client assets into omnibus accounts. This move aims to simplify operations and enhance trading efficiency, marking a significant step in bridging traditional finance with crypto.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
The economic calendar is packed with impactful events, with major data points leading the way. These updates could play a pivotal role in market reactions, influencing everything from stock prices to currency valuations. With the potential for volatility high, staying proactive and responsive is crucial. Make sure to factor in these economic events when assessing your investment strategy.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.